Hi, my name is Alex Chausovsky, and I am a senior analyst and a speaker here at ITR Economics. I joined the company about 3 years ago, coming from a background in high-end market research, focusing specifically on industrial manufacturing, automation, and energy efficiency, as well as other technological developments. I am a consultant at ITR as well. I basically work with our largest clientele, global companies with businesses in different industries and different markets. And I've been a speaker here for nearly 3 years as well. One of the things that I really love about speaking to organizations both large and small is not only sharing with them what's going on in the economy and how they can leverage that information, but more importantly, how to empower them in order to make better informed strategic decisions based on what we see going on in the economy and in their markets. And really what fulfills me at the end of the day is knowing that these businesses can use this information to grow their business, to create jobs, and to make people's lives that much better. So I look forward to working with you, and thank you very much for the opportunity.